Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video guys, we will be going to the Home Depot because mag-shopping po tayo sa ating water heater, no? Kasi dahil sira yung water heater namin. So pupunta po tayo today para ma-install natin yung water heater na i-replace natin doon sa garage. Okay? So pupunta po tayo doon sa store called the Home Depot. Okay? So magbihis muna tayo. So ayan guys, nakabihis na tayo at ready na tayo sa ating shopping. So ito yung outfit ko for today. Pupunta kami sa Lowe's. So ito guys, tingnan nyo. Kasi mainit sa labas kaya ganito yung outfit ko. Kasi parang 100 degrees outside. So, ito na. I like the color. You know. And it's very comfy. So, tara na guys. Let's go na shopping. So, dito na kami sa Lowe's guys. Nakita niyo na. Dito kami nagpalo ako sa husband ko. Ay. Ito yung Lowe's pupuntahan natin at maghanap po tayo sa water heater aisle. Dad, what's the it's way over there.
It's gotta be pretty close.
So yan, follow po tayo. So malawak yung ano sa Lowe's dito kaysa ano sa Lowe's.
Feel like I'm in the Philippines.
Yes. Say, what? What did you say?
I said I feel like I'm in the Philippines.
Ano nangyari sa neck ko? Lumalaki todo. Kasi ayaw namin sila ang pa-install namin para makasave kami ng pera. Kasi yung installation na nito, mga $480. And then this one is about, that's the one that we have to get. Natural gas water heater. So that's for them to install it, it's about no, that's 50 gallon. We need a 40 gallon.
It's 50?
The bigger is the higher is the monthly payment for the water. I know.
TikTok, all stop.
until we have enough. Right here, found one. $40. Yeah. We're looking for a little less better. Looking for some parts so we can put this here and hey, don't try to pick it up. If you break your back, it's not gonna be their fault. If you break your back, it's gonna call up my next hot tub. Will be that one right there. Have that massage. What is this? So what's the difference? The other one is shorter than this one. The height is right beside it. I don't think there's. Yeah. I mean, this one right here is shorter, but it's. Oh boy, we are gonna be broke again. Huh? Wow, this, look at this. It's so deep. That's nice, organized. Bathtub. Look at this. This is that I love this one. I love it. Yeah, the style. You know, the train that. Wow. What the other one? Oh, the same thing. Oh, this is just a shower. Maybe when we have a lot of extra, maybe we can buy one. But it might be take us how many years before we can get the extra. Meron silang mga check that. Oh, you need the warranty for this, right? You need to issue warranty for this.